All right. What are we going to do today, Jack?
We're going to collect rocks and put them in here.
Yeah, anything else? Are we going to be doing some digging?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Let's get started. What'd you find that's little?
Little stones. Want some more stones. On the back scooper, there's going to be rocks. And we're loading all the rocks into dump trucks. These rocks are going to be transformed.
Transformed into what?
They're not going to be transformed to another place.
Oh.
This is a really a thing. Rocky.
What do you got in the bucket, Jack?
Rocks. Stone. You want to go to another place to get rocks? I got some more rocks. I need to dig more rocks up. Rocks into dump trucks. Right, Dad?
Right.
What else is a rock? What else is a rock? Type of rock.
What's what?
What's this rock called?
I don't know. Yummy, yummy rock.
No. I got more. And these rocks are going to be fingers.
What's the excavator doing?
More stones. Wait, so that this is a very small shovel, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's bladed. I'm putting it like this. One are most colors. I'm ready to.
What are you doing, Jack?
Transporting the rocks. This is a big shovel. It can dig up 100 wheat. Big scoop. The truck is coming. Oh.
Yeah, 30, 30, 30, 10.
Chopped up logs.
Yep, they're wood chips.
Yeah, they turn into wood chips. They turn logs into wood chips.
Yeah, there actually used to be a tree here.
And they tore it down.
Yeah.
A dump truck at the sawmill, they tore it down.
Maybe.
Then the wood chipper made it.
Made what?
It made wood chips.
Oh.
Look, wood chips are going to the paper mill. What? There you go. Oh, when I'm done, come to me when I'm not the paper mill. Got lots of wood chips. These are going to paper mills.
I think these ones are gonna stay here.
I think they're gonna go to the paper mill. Get back to the park so I can dump a load Is this a huge log?
It's just a really big wood chip, Jack.
It's not. See, it's big. It's really big. What are logs called? What are logs for?
They're part of trees. They're the tree's branches. Yeah. And trunk.
What are these two called?
Twigs.
Oh, it's not a twig.
No. Jack, want to hear a good joke?
Yeah.
What's brown and sticky?
This.
You're right, it's a stick. Darn it.
Yeah. Is this a piece of log?
Yep.
Is it? What is this?
It's more wood chip. Big one. It's not? What is it?
It's twiggy.
Twiggy?
Yeah, it's really twiggy. Unloading here. I'm really good. This is going full of wood. The digging shovel. Why is this very small?
Because it does smaller jobs than the big excavator.
Then the big shovel?
And that's for loading.
That's
There's a
what,
tool for every job, Jack. It's for what?
it's for digging holes.
That's right. For trenches.
Is this a trench?
Yes, you are digging a fabulous trench.
Small jobs.
Yep, that bucket can do small jobs.
It has sharp teeth, right?
Yeah,
It can push it in its bucket, right?
that's right. But it doesn't even, it's not even the smallest one. There's smaller ones. We just didn't bring our toys of them today. The micro excavators.
They have big teeth. Those have claws too.
They
Grapples.
do. Some of them do.
There.
This bucket's complicated?
It's really small.
Oh.
Deep hole.
Are you sure that bucket's not complicated?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Look how the bucket digs under.
Yeah.
Digging a hole. This truck is trying to take this dirt away. And floating it right over here. Push it right over here. And then we can dig a deeper hole. First we need to scrape off the edges. Scrape and dig. Tobacco digs. Shovel. Shovel underground. And it keeps the dirt from flying out its back. From flying. If there's no these sides and no this, it won't be able to scoop inside trenches.
Oh no.
A trench inside a trench. Yes. More deep. I got. This is gonna be a wider hole. Wider hole. This is the house this is the construction site. Oh, a big bunch of wood. Holes in it, and it does our job. In case if we see wood chips inside this hole, we'll dig them out. See? Hole dug.
Hey Jack, you want to say goodbye to the kids? It's getting dark here.
Bye, kids. Tonka. Sky. See you later. Bye.
I don't think they could hear you. Could you say it louder?
I can't. I can only say quiet.
You can only say it quiet. Okay. Well, in case you didn't hear, if you like our videos, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, kids. Sky. See you later. Bye.
Oh, that was a nice kiss.